Tell me about the Spomac conveyor. Why did you decide to go this direction?
Well, mainly I traveled around to a few different states talking to different manufacturers, and when it came right down to it, Spomac seemed to be close for us for maintenance and service, and not really knowing that much about it, we decided to go with somebody that we could count on. And Modern and Spomac kind of helped us out and sized everything the way we needed it. We're trying to do things that most people don't do with conveyors, and they worked with us, and it's been working out really well. Well, what we're doing with the conveyor is here it's not so much so deep, but what we're trying to do is get the dirt out of here under the wires where we can't get an excavator up top. So we're trying to load trucks as fast as we can and keep them moving, and still keep the sidewalks open for pedestrians to walk underneath, which the city's like.
Is this becoming a common thing for excavating, for building excavation?
It's becoming more and more popular since we started doing it, and a few other contractors in the neighborhood. That the city's really liking it because we can leave the sidewalks open and keep the streets cleaner, and it's a little better for the carbon footprint because we're not using diesel engines running it. It's all electric.
The Komatsu pieces are working well for you still?
Yep, Komatsu's working very good. Support. Whole 9 yards. It's a good combination with modern machinery and Komatsu and Spomac. Yep, we just call our salesman and he takes care of pretty much everything, or gets somebody in touch with us back. And like I say, a little bit back to the conveyor, the engineering of it. Typically, most conveyors, they just run them and stop them empty. Well, we're running them and for a minute and a half and stopping it loaded, and then restarting it loaded to load the trucks, and that's not normally a way a conveyor is operated. So Spomac had to do a little bit of re-engineering from their standard conveyor to come up with a way we could start and stop the conveyors loaded, which cuts our load time in half from an empty conveyor.